So next one is the requirement of good building stones. Generally in the video exams they will ask for 6 marks or 8 marks. What are you write? You have to write the good requirement of building stones. What are the requirement of good building stones? They will ask usually this question. So the first one is the crushing strength. For a good building stone, the crushing strength should be greater than 100 Newton per mm square or 100 MPa. Second one is the appearance. The stones which are to be used for the face work, generally it should be a decent in appearance, and they should be capable of preserving their color uniformly for longer duration. Third one is the durability. A good building stone should be durable. The various factors contributing to durability of a stones are its chemical composition, texture, the resistance to atmospheric, and the other factors which has been considered in terms of location in the structure, etc. The fourth one is the facility of dressing. The stone should be such that they can be easily the carved or the molded in any desired shape and size. The fifth one is fracture. For a good building stones, its fracture should be the sharp, even, bright, and clear with the grains well cemented, means that is bonded together. The sixth one is hardness. The coefficient of hardness as worked out in a hardness testing machine which can be tested, it should be greater than 17 for a stone to be used in the road work, the road construction work. It should be 17, and if it is between 14 to 17, the stone which can be we can say that medium hardness, and if the lesser than 14, the stone is said to be a poor hardness, and such stones are not fit for the road work, because road means there is an impact load due to the repetition of the wheel loads of the vehicles. They are moving number of times. So seventh one is the percentage of wear. If wear is more than 3%, the stone is not satisfactory. If it is equal to 3%, stone is tolerable. For a good building stones, the wear should be equal to or lesser than 3% as per the standard IS. Eighth one is resistance to fire. The mineral composing the stone should be such that the shape of stone preserved when fire occurs. The failure of stone in case of fire may be a rapid rise in the temperature or sudden cooling, and different coefficients of linear expansion of minerals which has been considered. Ninth one is the seasoning. The stones should be well seasoned before putting into the use. That's very important one. Stones should be dried or seasoned before they are used in the structural work. A period about 6 to 12 months is considered to be sufficient for proper seasoning. The 10th one is specific gravity. A building stone, its specific gravity should be greater than 2.7. The heavy stones are more compact and less porous, and they can be used for various engineering applications like the construction of harbors, dams, the construction of the roads, etc. The texture. A good building stones should have a compact and the crystalline structures, free from the cavities, cracks, the patches, or any loose material on the surface of the rock. The 12th one is toughness index. In impact test is one of the important tests which is conducted for the road aggregates. If the value of toughness index comes below 13, stone is not tough, it indicates. If it is comes between 13 to 19, the stone is said to be moderate tough. If it is exceed 19, then toughness stone is said to be a high, quite high level. And the last one is water absorption. All the stones which is are more or less the porous, but for a good building stone, the percentage absorption of weight after 24 hours, the uh, immersion in the water tank should not exceed 0.6. The porous stones seriously affects the durability of stones. That is one of the weakness of the stone.